Welcome to the Office of the Treasurer and Tax Collector's Business Registration Renewal video. This video will help guide you through the business registration renewal process for the 2022-2023 fiscal year. All businesses are required to renew their business registration by May 31st, 2022. Before we begin, it is important that your business account information is updated with our office. Go to www.sftreasurer.org/account update if your mailing address or location address has changed or if you are no longer in business and need to close the account. We recommend you verify this information before you renew your registration. Most businesses that have previously reported under $50,000 in gross receipts and 0 employees will receive a bill in lieu of a notice to file letter and will not be required to file. To renew your business registration online, you will need your login information. The notice to file letter you received from our office has your 7-digit business account number and 8-character online PIN. You will also need the last 4 digits of your federal tax ID. For sole proprietors, enter your last 4 digits of your Social Security. Throughout the renewal, you will provide our office with information about your business. This includes your 2021 taxable San Francisco gross receipts, your average number of employees per week, the business activity that describes your business, and if you are exempt from the business registration fee, you may need to provide that documentation. When you are ready to renew your registration, go to sftreasurer.org. Look for and select Renew Business Registration. This will take you to the Business Registration Renewal homepage. The page contains important information, including the instructions and link to enter the 2022-23 Business Registration Renewal filing. After reviewing the page and when you are ready, enter the filing by clicking the Renew 2022-23 Business Registration button to enter the filing. At the login screen, you will enter your 7-digit business account number, the last 4 digits of your federal tax ID or your Social Security number if you are a sole proprietor, and your 8-character PIN. When you have entered this information, click the Login button. Once you have entered the filing, you will see your business account number and links to instructions, technical assistance, and a link to exit the filing on the upper right-hand side. On the bottom of the screen will be buttons to navigate forward and back. The online business registration renewal filing is divided into sections. The first section is a filing questionnaire that asks general information about your business. Question 1 asks if your business has taxable business personal property in San Francisco. Business personal property includes items like machinery, equipment, fixtures, and leasehold improvements held or used in connections with your business. See our instructions for further details. Question 2 asks your average number of employees per week inside and outside of San Francisco. Question 3 asks the number of San Francisco employees. Question 4 asks whether you are a lessor or residential real estate. If you would like to receive business communications from the City and County of San Francisco, click the Business Communications button to update your business information. The City and County of San Francisco will be providing the following information to businesses: health orders and directives, resources, disaster information, and grants. Please provide your contact information for the person responsible for compliance with health orders. Name, phone number, and email address are required fields. Check the box to receive text messages at the phone number you provided. If you would like to receive communications at additional emails, enter the name and email in the section below. Check the box to receive text messages at the phone number you provided. Click the plus button to complete adding the additional contact information. Scroll down the page and click all categories that apply to your business. If no categories apply to your business, leave the boxes blank. Finally, at the bottom, please check the box if you have less than 100 employees or are a sole proprietor. This will help determine which communications will be shared with your business. When complete, click the Submit button. You have completed your business account information and will now receive business communications. You will be returned to the filing questionnaire. Click Continue to move on to the next section, Business Identification. The Office of the Treasurer and Tax Collector uses your business activity and taxable San Francisco gross receipts to help calculate your registration fee. Identify your business activity by selecting all applicable business activities from the list below. If you select accommodations as your business activity, you will be asked additional questions to determine your status as a host. Review the short-term residential rental host section on our online instructions page if you need help answering those questions. A link to the instructions is located on the top right-hand side of this page. If you select activity not listed as your business activity, you will be asked to describe your business. The question at the bottom asks, are all of your business activities wholly within San Francisco? You must select yes or no. Click on Continue to move on to the next section, Registration Renewal. First, enter your 2021 taxable San Francisco gross receipts. This will be used to calculate your 2022-2023 registration fee. If your business is exempt from the registration fee, you will continue to see $0 due at the end of this filing. Short-term residential rental host and 501c3 status are common examples of businesses who may be exempt from the registration fee. If your business activities are inside and outside of San Francisco, use our gross receipts worksheets to help calculate your taxable San Francisco gross receipts. A link to this worksheet is included in the instructions located at the top right-hand side of this page. Question 2 asks if you are exempt from the business registration fee. Businesses recognized by the IRS exempt from income taxation may be exempt from paying our registration fee. A letter from the IRS with your business name, federal tax ID, and exempt status is an example of documentation that would support your exemption. By selecting yes, you may be asked to upload documentation to support your exempt status. When you have answered both questions, click Continue to move on to the next section, Certify and Submit. Based on the information you provided throughout the form, your 2023 business registration fee is located on line G, amount due. If you have claimed an exemption from the business registration fee, the amount due on line G will be $0. Business registration renewal filings and payments received after May 31st, 2022 are subject to late penalties. Complete the taxpayer statement section by filling out your name, your title, and phone number, as well as your email address. Please select Submit when you are ready. Once the confirmation screen appears, you have completed your renewal. From this page, you can review payment options and download a copy of the renewal. Click Download to open a copy of your return to print or save for your records. To pay online or by mail with a coupon, select Payment Options to access the payment portal. The payment portal will display current and any past due obligations. Look for and select To Pay Business Registration 2023. Then choose your payment method at the bottom of the screen. You may have other obligations due that you can pay also at this time. If you're paying by e-check, select that option and input your bank account information. If you are paying by debit card or credit card, select that option and input your account information. Convenience fee will apply. If you are mailing a check, select Print Payment Stub. Make sure to allow pop-ups on your web browser settings. Print the payment stub and mail it with your check to San Francisco Tax Collector, P.O. Box 7425, San Francisco, California 94120 7425. Your 2023 business registration certificate will be mailed to the mailing address after the deadline. Thank you for renewing your business registration with the City and County of San Francisco.